Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the factory reset now. First, create a current backup because this erases everything. Once done, sign out of iCloud and iMessage so activation lock won't block you. Make sure you have your Apple ID and password available. You'll need them after reinstall. Connect the MacBook Pro to power and a reliable internet network. If you set a firmware password earlier, remove it before rebooting. Now restart into recovery by holding the Command and R keys at startup to continue. Once in recovery, open Disk Utility to securely erase the internal drive. Select the Apps container or Macintosh HD and choose Erase. Pick Apps and GUID partition map, then Confirm. After the erase completes, quit Disk Utility and select Reinstall Mac OS from the Recovery menu. Follow the installer prompts. The Mac will download the correct Mac OS version and restart several times. Make sure the machine stays connected to power and internet. The Clean Install restores system files. After installation, the Setup Assistant appears. If you're keeping the Mac, sign in with your Apple ID and restore from backup. If selling, press Command Q and shut down so the next owner can set it up. Make sure Wi-Fi credentials are ready if you continue. If the installer fails or recovery won't boot, try Internet Recovery by restarting and holding Option Command R, which pulls a compatible Mac OS from Apple servers. If that still fails, boot to safe mode or use another Mac to create a bootable installer and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.